to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What a go on, guys. Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're going to be taking a trip from Rockfort all the way up Mountain View Avenue. On this trip we're going to be seeing the Jamaica Private Power Company, Excelsior High School and Community College, and the National Stadium. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica. So now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So we're now on Windward Rd, and Windward Rd, if you follow this road, it will take us all the way into downtown Kingston. So to our left is the Jamaica Private Power Company. Now this is an independent power producer to which JPS actually buys electricity from them, and they supply JPS with approximately 60 megawatts of power. So to our left is one of the bus stations or terminals for the Jamaica Urban Transport Company, the JUTC. I think they have in Portmore and one in Montego Bay, and I think in Spanish, I'm not sure. Then to our right we're passing the famous Rockfort KFC. It's still open, you still can get KFC there amid the violence in this area of Jamaica. So if we follow Windward Rd all the way into downtown, we will pass the Bellevue Hospital, and that is the only psychiatric hospital here in Jamaica. I mentioned it on the Norman Manley Boulevard tour. This will be on this road on our left hand side heading into downtown. So we're now going to be taking the right turn onto Mountain View Avenue. So Mountain View Avenue will take us all the way to Old Hope Road. And these areas, Rockfort, Mountain View, especially the end part of Mountain View, which we are passing through right now, is filled with violence, a lot of crime taking place here. So it's not a very good place to drive, especially at night. In the day it might be okay, but not on late nights or nights. And that is why you can see the quality of the building. The area is not a lot of developments are taking place. The buildings are not renovated, the homes are a little bit on the older side because a lot of developers are not coming to this area right here. So to our right is the Mountain View Police Station, and although I'm in the midst of the community, it does not stop the violence. So to our left is the notorious Jake's Road. To our right here, that's Rifle Road, and then the famous or notorious Jarrett Lane, where a lot of shooting, a lot of conflict is taking place down in this side with gangs from Jake's Road and Jarrett Lane fighting. to our left, this road will take us onto Dina Road, and Dina Road will take us, we can go to St. Joseph Hospital as well as to other areas. To our left is the famous Excelsior High School and Excelsior Community College. This community college was founded in 1974 and provides a lot of variable courses, relatively cheaper than the University of the West Indies and the University of Technology. And they offer nursing, for example. They're doing engineering now and other courses or degree programs, and they also work in conjunction with the University of the West Indies as well. So to the right is the Rifle Association, so that's what we call the range or the shooting range, and then to our left is the community of Nannyville. And if you know the artist and dancer Ding Dong, this is where he comes from. So once we see these lights, we know where we are now. We are beside the National Stadium. So beside the National Stadium, especially right where these lights are, is a smaller stadium, what we call Stadium East, which is for smaller events, smaller track meets, and for training. On the National Stadium compound, there's also the National Stadium, as we know, Independence Park, the National Arena, as well as the National Aqua Center and the National Indoor Stadium as well. To our left is the Windward Drive, and that will take us down to the Bustamante Hospital, the new Land Rover, Range Rover showroom, as well as Edamanic College. So this part of Mountain View is, I would say, the uptown part of Mountain View, or the safer part. This area has, you hear a lot of gunshots, however, but the gunshot is from the shooting range, which is just a few kilometers away. You can see this newly built apartment complex, the Loft, which is on Windward Drive, as well as many other apartments that are around this area. There are new businesses that are being developed on this road right here. So there's new medical centers, new diagnostic centers, just some little small doctor's office and so forth in the neighborhood right here. So there's a new business center to our left right here. As I said, more apartments or complexes is being built onto our right here, as well as other businesses and car marts in the neighborhood here that are being renovated and being worked on. We'll be heading right to the end, which is the end of this intersection right here is Old Hope Road. So this has brought us to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.